Oh, what about that sunshine? I've got an idea. My granny showed us a lovely exercise to feel energised and, well, to help me not feel so grumpy.
Oh.
It's called the Sunshine Spread. Want to give it a go?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Let us try.
Yes, please.
Okay. Feet firmly on the ground. Gently take a nice breath in and lift the sun up to the sky. Then breath out and let that sunshine spread around. Feels good, doesn't it? Okay, let's do it again. Now, hold the sun in your hand. Yeah, the sun. Oh, tight. Now breathe in and lift the sun up to the sky. Then breath out and let that sunshine spread around. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Yeah, do it again. Do it again.
Now, hold the sun in your hand, and you know how to do it now. Breath in and lift the sun up to the sky. Then breath out and let that sunshine spread around. Oh, hey, how are you feeling now, Whizz?
Oh, I don't feel as grumpy.
Yay, we do it!
Well done, Whizz.
Hi everybody, my name's Bellie.
And I'm Whizz.
And we love being visited by our friends here in the woods. They help us with our feelings.
Yeah. So tune in to Minding Me with Bellie and Whizz.
On RTÉ Jr.
And the RTÉ Player.